Morning guys, and it's a new day. Time check, it's almost 8 a.m. and of course our coffee, black coffee, Americano, something like that. Right, so today we will go to office muna. Visit tayo sa office muna, okay? So let's go guys, let's eat sandwich falafel with egg fry. Let's go guys, falafel with egg fry and may potato fries to, may kamatis tsaka sauce. Alright, that's it. Parang meatballs pero gawa sa gulay. Ayun siya, kalimutan ko tawag eh, may tawag din eh, dyan. So our client, kaya lang sila ating printer guys, so we are doing our job here in printing area and in our car, diba? Alright, let's do it and go to client. Bye, mamaya ulit. Lunch time dito sa bagong hotel. Sinama tayo ni Jams. So first time natin pumunta rito and check natin kung ano meron. Let's go! Correct or not?
Like with the rice like that. Yes. Chicken okay, right? I mean beef, chicken okay, right, John?
Yeah, chicken.
No. Chicken?
Biryani chicken?
Like piece or no,
This small.
May pamin. First, ramen soup. Grabe. Try natin. Ramen soup. Let's try. Kaya makutsarang.
soup like nice also. Another soup also.
Another have kami.
No, not kami.
Mayroong white rice tsaka yellow rice. Sarap. Sarap kain. Finish. Sarap. Let's go. Oh, nice. Go. Yeah, dito lang yan sa Altan. Sarap. Altan. Latif Damam Road, Alkaji Road. Guys, sa sobrang init guys, tatry ko itong may wagang juice na to. So gusto ko siyang itry at partneran ng Kinza. Alright, try natin. Nasa bahay na tayo. Yun na nga guys, hindi ko na na-open doon sa sobrang init. So meron tayong blueberry mojito and lagyan natin ng Sprite. Tingnan natin kung anong lasa. Meron na siyang ice. So essential na guys dahil first time ko lang makita ito rito sa akin. And so itry. And sa inyo kung naka-experience sa akin ito, so nood na lang kayo. Pero ako hindi pa kasi. So kasamahan ko ng Sprite kasi parang wala pa sa kalahati yung naman. Yan ang nangyayari. And hindi ko alam kung tama to pero try ko lang ha. So yung mga alam kung tama, manahimik na lang. Tinatry ko lang naman. Alright, so let's try it. Kasi alam nyo, ang Sprite, pwede ito dun Sprite plus yung parang mint at saka lemon. Pwede siya masarap. Binibenta sa KFC yun guys. Tapos ito, sure ako, pwede rin to. Diba? So tikman natin guys. Pwede, ang sarap. Sarap siya. Yan. So, ating inumin ngayon. Alright, 1 of 9. First experience. Nice. So that's on.